Well, I'm here again today at the tractor shop in West Elkton, Ohio, looking at their latest masterpiece, a 1955 Ferguson TO 35. It was a local tractor that had been around for and worked in this area for a long time, pretty much by the same owners, and it had been sitting idle for a while. And they brought it here last year to kind of get it running right. And they were able to do that and get it up and running and working well. Then the owners decided to go ahead and have it fully restored. So the way they do things here is they leave no stone unturned, and it's been brought back to its original condition, actually better than original when you look at the paint on the tractor. I'm sure they came out of the factory not like this. But at any rate, a tractor is a little unusual in terms of the paint scheme that they had for these tractors in the era. You could have them painted, I believe, with the belly being a different color than the hood and the fenders on the tractor and the wheels. And this one is in sort of a dark metallic green. It might look black to you here, but maybe I get a little closer and you can see the green on it. And I think that's a great color combination. It really sets it off, makes it look good. The tractor was a very popular tractor. Of course, had the Ferguson hydraulic system, which is a standard of the industry. Everybody either paid up and paid to use it, or they tried to copy it to the best that they could. It's got an unusual hydraulic valve on it that I've never seen. And some of you out there probably know more about this than me. Tim and I think it's for an auxiliary hydraulics, but he also thinks it kind of maybe works as an alternate control for your 3-point hitch. But it's got a lock-in pin here, if you can see this. And again, I've never seen that. I really don't know what that's about. Other thing on it is it has I'll show you this, it has an unusual drawbar arrangement. And again, I'm sure this is probably some aftermarket thing. I don't believe this would be a factory option, but this is a very sturdy drawbar. And you can see how it's built here. Usually not made this particular way, but the way it's been built kind of indicates that it's something maybe manufactured, not just put together by a guy with a with a welder. The drawbar itself is very rugged looking. So in terms of factory, that's probably the most unusual thing that I see on it. If you look at the rest of the tractor, pretty standard. It's got the high-low shifter on it there, as well as and it's got 3 forward speeds, 1 reverse. So I guess that would give you 6 forward speeds and 2 reverse. But again, another beautiful job that they've done. They leave nothing to chance. Even Tim's wife gets out here with her artist brush and touches up any little spot that they might have missed or scratched before they roll out the door. So another perfect job that they've done here. Again, I highly recommend these people. They do great work. They can do the mechanical work, and then they can finish the tractor off to its original condition with a paint job like this. You just don't see this that much. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, send me a comment and we'll try to answer them. And then God bless you. Bye now.